So today is a really special day here in Southampton. The reason is that Oyster 88501 returned home just a few days ago. Why is that special? Just purely because she was built here 6 years ago. We took that boat away, and since then she's done a circumnavigation. She's sailed across the Atlantic 10 times, and she's had countless people on board, with all having lots of fun, and she sailed hundreds of thousands of miles, and she's returned home safely to come back for a refit. So we just thought, do you know what would be a brilliant thing to do is let's go and grab the original build team, the guys that actually built the boat, and take them out on the water so they could just see what they've created and actually what happens to the creations and the yachts that they build here in Southampton and where they go. So today is really about sharing that story with you, but also to say thank you, because all of those skills that you guys have is what creates these yachts to be the finest yachts in the world. Okay, here we go. You're gonna feel it when the breeze hits this sail.
It was brilliant. I mean, we don't often get out on them, so to see it out there in its, in all its glory, seeing what we build them to do, it's brilliant. It is brilliant. Every day is different, and building oysters, every little detail is looked at. Every little detail is finessed and perfect, as near perfect as anything can ever be, and that's what I like about it. You don't just get to do the job, you get to do the job right.
One of the beauties of the boat, of course, is the seascapes. It's amazing, like when the boat's anchored in the Caribbean or somewhere hot, where you just look out of there and you see a beautiful blue ocean. I mean, it's just incredible.
I mean, they handle absolutely like a dream. So yeah, love it, really love it. The Oyster brand is worldwide anyway, and renowned for the quality of boats that we build. And I've been on several yachts anyway and sailed as well. But I will say it is an honour, and it's proud to work for the company and also to have the opportunity to sail one of the Oyster fleet.
It feels a lot closer, a lot more involved. Obviously, things like today, getting out, seeing our boats that we build in action, I feel a lot more attached to what we're doing, rather than just sort of getting on with it in the shed and never really seeing what happens when they leave. It's proud to see that what we do lasts, and it's proud to see it coming back to almost go out new again.